The broad jump is a simple but effective test of lower body strength and power. The only item that is required to administer this test is a measuring tape. Optionally, it may be helpful to use a marker so the athlete has something to aim for in later attempts. The broad jump is started with the athlete's toes in line with the start of the measuring tape. The athlete then goes into a counter movement position, falls forward, throws their arms, and jumps as far as they can with an athletic landing position. The measurement is then taken from the heel of the foot that is closest to the starting position. A total of 3 attempts are allowed in order to give the athlete an opportunity to reach their maximum distance. Pictured here is a chart that can be used to show how you or your athletes compare to the general population.
The double bound is an extension of the broad jump. In this movement, we are utilizing explosive ground contact force and stored elastic energy in our lower body to aid an athlete's explosiveness. The drill is similar to the broad jump in that it is looking at the proper lower body mechanics while now adding in the additional ground reaction force. The athlete will set up exactly as they would for the broad jump with their toes at the beginning of a tape measure. Once the athlete is comfortable in that position, have them perform one broad jump immediately in the next one without stopping in between. This is the double bound exercise. Since the athlete should be using ground reaction force and stored elastic energy, they should travel further with the continuous jump versus if they were to stop after the first jump and jump again. This drill will allow us coaches to see how an athlete can transfer their energy throughout movement. Faults during the broad jump and double bound are related to how an athlete lands. The athlete must land firmly with no extra room in the feet once they've made contact with the floor. Any form of falling or sliding in the feet should be considered a fault, or that data cannot be used.